Let me start off this video by showing you there is a face to the voice. There's a human being way down the bottom there in the corner. There I am, and I will get rid of myself so we can get right into the follow-up, or what you would do, how you would do it, when you would do it, so on and so forth. So I'm going to make this video probably pretty short. So I personally do this, so I also suggest for you to wake up every day. The first thing you do when you go to linkedin.com is to check your messages. You can hit messaging. These little arrows here will allow you to just grab the unread ones from the day before. Not everybody's on LinkedIn every day, so if you're following my strategy, sending out 150 messages 5 days a week, you will get a small amount of response. It's not going to be all of them or anything close to that. So it could be 10 a day, 3 a day, 5 a day, whatever it is. And so just go to the unread. You'll see I'm on top of it. So I woke up this morning and did respond to all my messages. So now just the actual message that you want to convey is really just to get on a phone call or a Zoom call. No selling. No, as I said before in other phases of this, don't sell on the first date. So really just get yourself to a phone meeting, a Zoom meeting in person if that's possible, and then talk about your businesses, and then you can sell your brains out from both sides. You can really get into each other's business and how you can help each other and how you can refer business to each other. And that's actually it. So there's a bunch of ways to reach out to me above and below this video, and I will do a 30-minute Zoom call with you. I'll share my entire strategy. So whether it's this messaging, whether it's a third-party app I'm using, whether it's connecting, whether it's messaging, it doesn't matter. The strategy, everything, all balled up into one. I'll do a 30-minute Zoom call with you and cover it all. Okay, so I will either talk to you soon, or I'll see you in another video.